Hello everyone, this is Tech Team's Mikrotik tutorial part 2.2 Basic Mikrotik Configuration. In this part we will finish our left off sections in our previous tech video. So we didn't complete a section how to connect remote access, and we will do the remote access by Telnet, and after that we will show you how to configure something using the Telnet session. So let's go jump in the virtual machine right now. So we are going to access Mikrotik through Telnet, but before that I'm going to show you some left of things what we haven't completed previously. So I was showing you the system section. System section will show you very important feature. The resources is one of the most important feature. So here you see the all details about Mikrotik router board, the hardware specification and system uptime. You will see the CPUs, USB ports if available, and the PCIs. One of the most important feature and cool feature in Mikrotik Winbox is these things. The top menu, you see I have added some features. Give me this time. I have added some features. This is so easy. You just need to add, right click, add CPU, add memory, add uptime. This counter will help you to see the system status at all time during your work. So now there are so many cool features. We will talk about the tools feature. Mikrotik has some built-in tool feature that you can use for bandwidth test, email, flood, ping, process, IP scan. Even we can use the Mikrotik torch. There is another one named torch. You can see which network node is using maximum bandwidth and which one is consuming the less one. So this I will describe on and in my future videos, but now for this section I will try to connect with Mikrotik using Telnet. In this case I'm using a Telnet client from my virtual machine. This is pretty easy. Those who already knows about Telnet, this is a protocol that will use port 23. In this case I didn't configure anything on Telnet in Mikrotik router OS. Telnet is by default enabled. You can just disable it or protect it, restrict it by accessing. I will talk about those things later on. So here I need to write Telnet, our Mikrotik router board IP. It will prompt us for logging. I'm going to use the admin privilege. So here is it. So we have seen this screen before from new terminal, if you can remember. This is the same screen, of course. So new terminal inside Winbox gives you this same facility, that you can access the command line interface from Winbox GUI interface. Okay, so this is pretty basic and this is quite easy to work with. I will just show you how to configure a simple, how to execute a simple command on this console. Later on I have a full nugget, have a full video for video session that will describe this, the part by part, how to work easily, how to administrate Mikrotik router OS using console Telnet remote access session. Okay, so this time I'm going to add an user. I'm not going to change the Mikrotik name, host name. This is pretty basic, so I'm going to add an user. So what I have to do, according to GUI, I have to type system user. It says it's not here, so user is actually in this part, user add. We will see the options below that. Name, username will be set tech lab. Then we can add the address to restrict the user to access from a specific IP address. Group, we will select group. We saw the groups in Winbox, so I will be assigning this user as read permission. Password will be 123. Okay, so just enter. This user will be created. I'll show you one very cool feature, so you can see the log from this console. Of course, this is just an introduction of how to work in this command line interface. I will have a full video of I said in this command line interface. So just type log print. That will show you the current log, up to date log, whatever happened on the system. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching, and hope you will be with us for next few videos. And please don't forget to subscribe and post your request, whatever you want to see, which tricks and tips you want to see on our page.